Hey there, my friends. Coach KIRKSHINTA here. Welcome to another video. In this video today, I'm going to talk about the bonuses that I give for one of my work from home programs, which is $25 One Up. And if you're watching this, you most likely are either looking at $25 One Up or you may be on another team. But I really want to explain not only what bonuses that I give, but why I give them, and as a result, why my students are having such success, many of them from failing year after year online from program to program to program. What makes the bonuses that I give so different, right? And I'm going to explain that. So before I even jump into that, let me hop out of here real quick. And what I wanted to show you is my commissions this week. So so far in the last 7 days, I've made $2,450, made $900 yesterday, $1,000 the day before, and $29,850 of all time. And I'm number 9 now on the leaderboard in the top 10 leaders in the company. Okay. So that said, what I wanted to do is come and talk about these bonuses and what they are and how it could help someone who's looking to join $25 One Up. Now, what I want to say is, let me go over the program first and then I'll jump into the bonuses. I absolutely love this work from home system. First of all, it allows you to start a business and earn up to $1,000 per transaction per sale with no monthly fees. So, if you're looking to start a legitimate business from home, right? And you're like, I don't want all that overhead. I would like to earn some, I would like to start a business without all the overhead, without all the monthly fees, so that I can get in profit mode faster rather than slower. Then this is the program that you want to look at. It's 100% digital, meaning that anywhere you have a phone or a computer, you are in position to be able to earn. Okay, so no monthly fees is one of the top things about this program. Second thing is it allows you to earn 100% commission. So yesterday when I got that $900 commission, I didn't have to give the company 50%. They didn't go and take 50% or 20% or whatever. A lot of companies, especially MLM type companies, they say, oh, well, you make a transaction and we're going to give you 50% of that. Yeah, no. Here is 100% commission. And the best thing is that they don't touch my money. Okay, they don't touch your money because it goes direct to your payment processor of choice, whether that's PayPal, Cash, Venmo, Zelle, Authorized Net. I mean, there's no limit. I use Square, so on and so forth. So there you have it. They don't touch your money. Okay, the company takes an admin fee, a small admin fee on the front, and then everything from there is yours. Okay. The next thing about this work from home program that my team is leveraging, we're going to get to the bonuses in a second, is they're leveraging with this program, they're able to leverage a replicated funnel. So it's literally plug and play. So literally I show them how to build an audience that wants already what they have to offer, right? How to put this in front of those people. And then they just direct people who ask for information to the replicated funnel, and it does the work of selling and explaining. That's as plug and play as it gets. And this funnel, they don't have to create, a website or, things like that. It's already done for you. All right, now, with my team, because of the bonuses, many of them are collecting these commissions, the 125, the 250, the 500, and especially the $1,000 commissions. Okay, and then included in my bonuses are social media marketing and business training to help you grow your business without overwhelm. Actually, I was talking to one of my students, Raekwon, today, and we were joking in a group about how he was like, dang, it's 10 o'clock and I'm done and I'm bored. And I'm like, and that's what it should be. Like, you shouldn't have nothing about your business should feel like you have to be in your business all day. Right? When people talk about time freedom, the reason why they don't have time freedom is because they are doing things that don't matter and not focusing on things that do matter so they could get it done and going about their day and be positioned to collect commissions. Okay, so that's what I teach my team how to do. Okay, this allows you to leverage and grow your income passively. So it's called $25 One Up for a reason, because those one ups grow your income and give you bonus commissions. And also by being qualified at the higher levels, like the 250 to 500 and the 1,000, you qualify for overrides, okay, which is an additional type of bonus. Okay, and then there's a lot of work from home systems out there, and I'll be honest, a lot of them don't update their system, and it pisses me off. Like, there's one system, I'm not going to call them out by name, they haven't updated their system in 6 years, right? And that's kind of trashy. Like, the information is outdated, things have changed, and it's just old, right? This system is updated on a regular basis with information, with tools, with all types of things like that. All right, and then this program allows you to get paid instant same day payouts. So yesterday when that $900 came in, it was instantly in my Square, right? You know, actually no, she paid me via Cash App. Yeah, it was in my Cash App. Yep, and then I transferred it. So yeah, instant same day payouts to your preferred payment processor. So that's the program in a nutshell. Now let's get into how my team is crushing it. So my VIPs, I give to them, you know, before I even talk about the bonuses, let me talk about why I give the bonuses and how I was able to develop the bonuses. Okay. When I first came online, I was struggling for a long time. I was like, struggle bus. Okay. I didn't know how to jump into an affiliate program like this and be able to make almost $30,000, right? I didn't know how to do that, right? And I came online and I was following a multiple six-figure earner, and I was like, you know what? I will pay you for a premium for your blueprint, and I did. Okay. I paid well for that blueprint to understand what I needed to know to sit at her feet and to be able to understand marketing. And I made a decision that I wasn't going to be that person online who wouldn't teach my tribe what I do and what I know. So when I was able to come into this program and start having success, I literally said, okay, I'm going to give my team the blueprint. And I do. So there's no secret sauce of what I do and how I do what I do online. They have access to it. So here you can say Dominique said, thank you. I feel like what she said? Thank you. I really feel like I know what I'm doing finally. Okay. And I said, dang, I felt that. Because when she said that, I was like, oh, I felt that in my spirit. Right. I said, you know, and that's what I want people to do, to understand what marketing is, why they do the things that they do, and how to do marketing the right way. Okay. So, that's that. So my team is having great results. We have Nene over here. She went from zero to full-time income leveraging my team blueprint. And what, you know, let's talk about what that is. People say, well, what is it? Okay. First of all, I give my team the daily strategies that they can do, 6 simple steps every single day that they can do, and they can grow their business exponentially, right? Not fluff stuff, not telling them that it's engagement, because as Nene commented under one of my posts today, because I've been telling them small audience can lead to big income. That means small lists. Nene has 100 people on her YouTube channel, is able to crush out $250 commissions, right? I teach my team about how to show up on social media as a person of value, and how to actually not just get leads, because there's a lot of people, let's be very honest, there's a lot of people online who they're able to get tons of leads. They're buying leads with solo ads, they're getting tons of leads from Craigslist, but are they able to convert those leads? Are those leads quality? I teach my team how to generate quality leads, okay? And then what to do on a consistent basis to convert those leads into actual sales and transactions. All right. And that's what it's about. That's why my team is getting results. That's how Jessica, I don't know why my screen is going backwards, but that's how Jessica over here, who never was able to make $1 online, earned her first $125 online. And this morning she sent a message in a group and said, guys, like, I woke up and my inbox is full of people asking me for information. I said, that's the way it should be. My team is not chasing anybody. My team is actually learning a process that I do across my multiple businesses. It's the same process, right? How do you lead people to ask you for information instead of you chasing them, right? And then what's the process to actually convert those leads into sales without being salesy, without being spammy, without dropping links and going and hoping that you get a sale, right? Without sending people stupid messages like, do you keep your options open? Blah, 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 blah. No, nobody has time for that. I'm so tired of that in the industry. I'm just rolling my eyes. You know, Raekwon here, I did an interview of him about his success recently. Robert, and then we got our mom Kay here, who she's also crushing it online as well. So my students are, my point is that my students are getting results with my bonus. Bonuses, they're not fluff bonuses. If you're watching this and you're like, you know what, I'm ready to position myself to earn up to $1,000 per sale, but also learn, for once, the marketing skill sets that I need to learn, so that I could not only earn that with this, but if I want to, let's say you have other programs that you market online and you're like, you know what, like Nene has been able to do, right? And Raekwon has been able to do, where they understand, okay, I have other programs. If this can work for me in this one program, then I can apply it to my other programs and I can make now multiple streams. Now Nene has gone from 0 to full-time income. Raekwon is on his way, right? So this is what I'm talking about. Like, one, it's not enough for people to keep joining people and opportunities. This is why I have so many coaching clients from other teams, from other tribes, from other companies, because anybody can tell you to join an opportunity. Anybody can offer you training. Okay? But the thing is, the result, I don't even know how to say this, but do they have evidence that their training produces results? My tribe is all the evidence that I need that what I actually show people, it actually works, because I show them what I do. I show them what I do, right? So a lot of people are following influencers. They're following top leaders and gurus, and they're following their checks. And they're like, oh, they're going to give me a bonus. They're going to give me a bonus training. A lot of times it's just something they just slap together. It's not really effective. It's really not even what they even do on a daily basis, because they're buying traffic and they're telling you to do something else. I'm just saying. So that said, I give to my team what I actually do. I practice what I preach. I stay accountable to the tribe. And beyond just giving somebody a bonus, what I have found is that it's very important for people to be plugged into a community, not just to join someone and they've been given a bonus and some training, but that they've been allowed to be part of a community where if they have questions, okay, they can ask that in that community, that they feel supported and part of that community. And that's what my tribe has, which makes it different than a lot of places on the net, and that a lot of sponsors on the net and things like that, that they have a hub, and that every Thursday I commit to them to show up. And I do. I show up on Thursdays and I do social media training and Q&A every single Thursday for my tribe without fail. So if as they're working their business, they have questions and they say, I need help with this, or I would like to be better at that, that's the time that they have for me one-on-one for an hour to actually address that. And that by itself is more valuable than the investment in their business alone. All right. So if you're watching this and you're like, you know what? I've been looking for this. I've been looking for the opportunity to earn up to $1,000 per transaction in my business. I want a replicated system that will allow me to earn up to $1,000 per transaction. That's what I'm looking for. But I'm also looking for somebody to teach me the basic strategies to be able to generate the leads and conversions to do that. Not just have a system that you have a system, right? But that you know what to do, and that you can actually build your own audience, your own tribe online, right? If that's what you're looking for. All right. Beneath this video will be some more information about this work from home system. Go ahead and, position yourself. My access to my tribe starts at platinum or higher. Okay. Most people who partner with me at diamond. Okay. But there's also the elite level. And, I've been telling people in this season how important it is that you position yourself. You do not want to miss any commissions. And this happens a lot, talking about overrides, right? Where people aren't positioned to earn certain commissions. Okay. And people will come into your system and they will purchase higher packages, and you're not positioned to earn those commissions. So the elite level, the 1,000 level where I am, even the enterprise, the $500 level positions you to not leave money on the table. Okay. So position, if you're ready, position yourself, go ahead and lock in your spot, and then message me. My messenger information is there as well. And I will make sure you get set up and plugged into not only the blueprint, which is helping my tribe get results, which helps me get results. It's the same. I use the same blueprint that I tell my team to do, and they see me do it, right? And then you'll get plugged into your blueprint, and we'll welcome you into the tribe. And that's it. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video, my friend.